Oo.
Mas marami na naman sila sa atin.
Okay lang yan, bro.
Okay lang. Wait,
Get
get ready.
Big guild yung roster eh. Ayaw small guild only.
Shot
Pwede
here.
ano.
Uy, iba to.
Shit.
Gather
Dami ba?
Ayun lang.
Hold lang muna, hold lang muna. Project
Ilan
na.
sila? Disbanded
Sabi
sila
ko,
sa nerd.
dismounted.
Disbanded nerd.
Huwag dyan.
Oh, sino,
Bali,
sino,
list
sino.
mo to, pre.
Come shot.
Kaya mo sa kanila mapunta yan.
Battle mount. May battle mount.
Gago, layo ni Zoro.
Gay, okay lang yan, boss.
Yan si Cobra.
Cobra.
Ready,
Double na
passing
discover
gate.
daw.
Shallow. After gain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then come back southwest boys. Southwest. Tayo cooldown on me. Hold nyo lang. Fill tanks. Hold. Hold them. Tell me when ready.
Lang kailangan ko.
More east side sila.
Keep moving southwest.
Help me east.
Help sa east boys. Get ready. Kayo umulan in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kayo umulan. Come back. Fast. Pass. Baba. Southwest boys. Southwest. Cycle na sa akin. North now.
Gigi.
Cycle na sa akin. Tell me when ready.
Gay, galaw mga bata.
Embroilers side ah.
Ay, pa-fake ako nito. Pa-fake ako kay Akira. Ready, kay Akira. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kay Akira now. Ay, kabak northeast now. On me. Southeast now. Just hug the wall. East now.
Deloking.
Depa front. Sino na huli? Isa.
Help me, Saisho.
Itong million hood sa likod mo.
Ready. Kayo umulan. Ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kayo umulan. Kabak. Updale boys. Cycle na sa akin. Nice pills. Need heal sa front ha. Hold lang. Hold. Come sat. Di ako ready. Ako yung di ready.
ko muna yung ano.
Yep.
Hold
North now. Get ready.
O, dito over the hill.
On the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. Down. Then come back. Come back fast.
Dep.
It's full defensive. Southwest lang. Cycle na sa akin. Hold. You don't have to go out. Hold. Get ready. Looking east choke, boys. You're looking east choke. Never mind. Kayo mula na. Kay Pakno in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kay Pakno na. Delete. Then come back.
Wala akong mana, hindi ako makapag ano.
Looking.
Keep moving. Down the choke, boys. Keep moving down the choke. Down the choke, then north. We're just going to round around here.
Naiwan the tanks mo.
Help up, bro. Ako na naman si Under Armor. Get ready. Shallow. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 sa hold. Kill this.
They're looking.
Kill. Come north now. We need to kite now. Kite. Keep walking. East now.
Gailing sila.
East now.
Malayo si Gogin. Naghintay si Gogin. Careful tank.
Ready. Dito sa sa carving in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa carving na. Kabaka.
Nagiging siya lang. Careful tanks guys.
Engage ako. Walang damage.
Sa
Help
front.
me healing,
Ay,
Satos.
konti pa yung shoulder.
Roll niyo si Pakno. Sige lang. Okay lang. Roll niyo si Pakno. Roll niyan.
Nag-shot na sila.
Keep rolling.
Cancel ko.
Get ready.
After na cleric.
After cleric. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Baka mag-look to ah.
Hold. Go, move.
Sorry na.
Move guys, move.
Cleanse up front. Keep moving lang. Dahan-dahan lang, boys. Huwag masyadong sobrang kahit. Hold.
Ayun sa
Reset.
ako din.
Wala. Cooldown ako. Long cooldown ako.
Nag-walk sila northwest.
Copy.
Careful lang.
2 screens away sa'yo. Sa shield.
Copy.
Still walking west.
Copy. Southwest boys. Southwest.
Okay, inching sila. Looking now.
Huwag kayo east. Kayo east.
Take na, verse ended
They're
na.
walking east.
Ready. Kayo umulan sa northwest ah. East. Never mind. Shallow sa hold. Get ready sa hold. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa hold na. Then come back
Nice
south. Updale lang boys. Safe pa
Ready,
rin.
dep.
Need help kay Bo.
Help rebanks.
Tell me when ready.
Help rebanks sa north.
Ready. North choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 sa choke.
Shoot.
Oh boy!
Angat.
Ingat ko sa east.
Southwest.
Sige.
Gawak namin yung
Southwest.
Nagulot sila.
Copy.
Engage kayo.
Ready. Set up ako. Ready.
Ayun, nag-set up po.
Ready after me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pogi.
Hit. Then come back fast. Come back
Inside
fast.
sila,
Move.
Southeast. Up the hill na. Cycle the sea. Don't move. Hold lang.
Walking sila west dyan.
Walking west.
Hill front, please.
Fighting sila, bit.
Naging stabilize sila ngayon.
Pinupul kayo.
And like, keep still walking west.
Keep moving lang.
Downhill sila.
Kaya na natin to. Keep moving lang. Get ready. Kayo umulan. Northwest. Kayo umulan. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kayo umulan. Puto na. Maroon pa lang.
They're looking.
Yeah, keep hitting umulan.
Patayin yung doubles.
Keep hitting.
Baka.
Back. Up the hill lang.
Oy, engage dyan to si Danera, feel ko.
Ingat sa choke.
Yan na, dep.
Ready. On the choke.
Eh, umulan ulit.
3, 2, 1. Sa choke.
Dapat kayo umulan ulit. Patayin yun.
Tumalon. What the fuck? Tumalon siya dun.
Yan, yo.
West. Hold.
Push mo.
West now.
Hold ko sila.
Kahit kayo, push mo.
Keep moving west.
Still walking west sila. Still walking southwest sila.
Pwede mo engage si Kogi.
Get ready. Shallow. Dito after cleric in 5, 4, 3.
Come back.
Patayin yun. Nice kill.
They're looking.
Hold lang kayo.
Hold. East now. Cycle na sa akin. Keep moving. South. Get ready. You're looking west now. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now.
Headbutt.
Then come back south. Southeast.
Sige, na-hold namin.
Defensive. Southeast lang.
Nagka-clamp up sila sa choke.
Moving southeast. Keep moving. Wala, di ako ready. 3 seconds now.
Set up.
Keep moving southeast.
Okay, pwede na.
Ready. On the choke north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Choke.
Kill.
Then hold
Ingat
lang.
ingat ah.
Ingat ito.
Hold.
Hold kayo.
Pwede pa yung sa Cobra.
They're looking.
Gi.
Hold. I need some cycle.
Engage it.
Hindi ko ma-engage yan mo.
Opo, cleric ako.
Look east wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East wall now. Then come back south. South. Hold kayo dito. Don't get too much.
Nagpapayin si Cobra. Sundan sila.
Chase mo pa.
North.
Wala tayong out.
Pinupul kayo sa choke, ha?
Engage na ako. Ang damage.
Ready, northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now.
Ako nito.
Gi, push mo na.
Hold lang.
Walk. No, GG call yan. Walk. Catch.
Pwede
Ingat
pa
ah,
to, pwede pa sila.
pwede pa mag-turn. Pop your pass now.
Ready, east. Shallow, on the ground in 5, 4, 3.
Engaging sila. Headbutt.
Headbutt.
Take over.
Kill. Ano, lifting.
Come south. Yo, tell me cool down. Spread. Yeah. Wait, hold on. After J, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. J North. And spread.
Come southwest.
Stabilize a bit. They're gonna hit. Defense now. Defense.
Def.
Keep going south. How many healers do you have? Keep going west.
Gi,
West and then south.
one healer.
West and then
Last
south.
hit ka pa,
Do you
last
want cooldown? Come south. Pull them more south. Okay, engage. Wait. East 4. East 3, 2, 1. East shallow. Hit it.
Nice.
You push. You push.
Guide out. Gi, kahit mo pa muna.
Oh, go north. Just go
Yan,
north.
pwede mo na push. Wala na engage.
Push. Yo. J, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. J now. J. Okay. Come southeast and then east. East. Be more east. Give me a hold.
Okay.
Push it. Yo, careful on the front. Hold. 15 seconds ako. Hold down ako.
Ready ako.
Come south. Wait.
Yan na, magigis na to ah.
Wait. Defense now.
Dev.
Okay, come south. Pull them more south. Okay, after your cleric. 3, 2, 1. Middle. Okay, keep going south. Keep kiting. Follow Dokol. Good Dokol. Keep south. Ito. Pamita si Buyas bawang. Come southeast. Come southeast. Yo, careful lang. Come south. Yo, ready. Wait.
Looking ah. Spread.
Wait. Etong tabi ko. 3, 2, 1. Middle. Headbutt.
Nice. Push mo na.
Push. Kiss on doubles.
GG call.
No, GG call. Catch siya. Tapos na to. Labingin nyo na. Ito boss oh, gamit ko sibuyas, bawang, bleaching, isang boteng, isang 4 cup.
Kaya mo to, Janix, Southwest. Mrel.
Cobra gusto niya.
Nahabol niya si Cobra.
Cobra gusto ni Janix. Tangina, mali yung ano.
Hindi, mas
Pesto ko dun.
Gucci ito eh. Pero patayin
Wait,
niya
MC to ah.
Oh, same
Oh, si MC nga. Kill MC.
Oo, si MC.
Oh,
Uy, sakit.
Pwede ninyo ko dyan.
Nakakrip
Oo, tama nga.
Uy,
candle.
mapapatay ako ng GA, pre.
Ay, may loot pa dun, Janix. May loot pa dun.
Daming loot sa body. Check nyo yung bodies. Ang daming loot
May
dyan.
loot pa yan. Oh, di ba?
Malaki yung loot nila.
Mamanta pa ako, Jesse, habulin mo.
Ice pa yung spams ko boss.
Tigyan nila padikit.
Nagpop na ako
Nalimutan mong pera mga boss.
Bulin nyo.
Nagpop na ako ng pot.
Naminabol namin sa loob ng static ah.
Pats mo kanina dyan
Sige, abulin natin, Zane.
Kita mo na mga...
Abulin natin, Zane.
Ano yan, Marshall?
Napatay niyo si Cobra?
Oo, akala ko mag-engage.
Ako, napatay ko si Pogi.
This one out. Northeast.
Ano kasi? Di ko
Boss,
alam.
papatay ka naman.
Gago.
No, gano'n, no.
Siya pa unahin nyo.
Wala.
Si Cobra Northwest.
Nalowa ko
At na
masyado.
kayo.
Dami kong tenras, so...
Boss!
What's up?
Takbo si Bossing sa Abarog.
Yeah.
Tara na, kaya nyo na. Di na makatsin.
Punta.
Gaben. Sign up na.
Napatay si Akira? Aga ng pots ko. Oo, patay si Akira.
How many healers we have? One.
Ang lupit ng
Kami namatay dati, puro lagi lang.
Sa medan na ito.
Pwede ka pa
Wala ko,
mag-hit
dalawa
lang
na
isa.
to. Dalawa to si Revox nandun pa.
Takbo na, boss.
Ano kasi si Revanx eh, nakatank. Nakatank roll si Revanx.
Kahit di ako mag-clear ka, walang damage, pre.
Kala ko naka-sandwich healer ako.
Si Marshall din eh, naka ano.
Isang heavy
Naka-green.
base lang nagsa-stop sa engage niya. Dikit niya masyado.
Pero hindi ko na alam kung saan ako pupunta nung nag-headback tayo. Wala.
Sa
Ano,
bagal gumalaw eh.
nagulo.
Gagi, na-heal ko pa yun si Saisho.
Ganun eh.
Hindi umam. Hindi na kailangan.
Na-kidnap ako ng gloves. Tapos, wala na.
Baka nalimutan mo pwede ka mag-engage sa W mo. Lip.
Oh.
Nag-hold. Ang bala ko sana cycle cooldown muna, Zoro. Pina-walk-in mo kami.
Bali, yun na yun eh.
Hindi, I mean, doon ako namatay.
So, gano'n eh, na nag-engage tayo.
Pag walk-in natin, nag-is sila. Kaya, na ano ko, na vulnerable yung side.
Nagkapalit lang ng ano eh.
Nagsicycle cooldown ako sa likod eh.
Tangina na wala VIP.
Na timingan.
Hindi ko yung nag-switch sides kanina.
Nalo
Push ko
na
ng
ba?
heart.
Napa-OC tuloy ako.
Legion ko.
Nag-wait ako.
Sabi mo